Hello guys, I am back with another exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you guys can see, I have this lovely package here. I got this a few days ago, and this particular item is I did actually request this piece from my essay. And yeah, I am so excited. So I went to pick this up at the store. I have already inspected and checked it, and wow, she is gorgeous. Definitely. So anyway, let's open the box so you guys will be able to see my lovely new item that I will be adding in my collection. Okay, so here she is. Okay, so let me just put this box aside so that we will be able to see up close this beautiful item right there. And as usual, they put this one in the dust bag, and here comes, oh my gosh, here she is. Okay, wow, she is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, wow, wow. I still can't get over how lovely she is. I mean, I asked my essay to keep an eye on this pattern, the Damier Ebene, because I didn't have much in my collection. So I asked her if ever the Odeon would come out with this pattern, let me know, please. Because I started to collect more of the Damier Ebene. And I think this is a beautiful piece. I do think. I only have several in my collection, but this one is gorgeous right here. So this is the Odeon PM. This is the smallest size that they have. This one is also available in the size MM, which is a little bit larger. And I kind of like this size for some reason. So I tried it on in the store, and I think this one is a perfect size for me. And look at that. The detailing is absolutely gorgeous. Very lovely. So this one right here has this luggage tag right here. This is like just some sort of like an embellishment that they put. Right, I really like that this one is actually made up of this cowhide leather. Very nice. So that's how it looks with the gold hardware right there. And this is also removable, so you could remove this and you can replace it with any of your if you have a charm, you could do that as well. And also right here, this one has a slip pocket right here in front, which is actually magnetic right there. So you guys can see, this is the magnet right here, and then you can close it just like that. So did you guys see that right there? Okay, this is actually large enough that could fit your phone. So let me get, this is actually one of the largest phone from Apple. So let me just put this one right here. That fits perfectly right there. Wow, very nice. Actually very nice though. So you could just put your phone there, so for easy access. And then let's go through the detail for this bag. This one has this zip closure right here, as you guys could see, the zip pull right here. Wow, this is large. I really like that they made this one really large though. And yeah, it says right there, Louis Vuitton Paris. And then there's actually two right here. Very shiny. This is like very shiny hardware. Look at that. So you have an option to just put this on the side and put it right at the middle, just like that. So anyway, and it's actually very smooth though, the zipper. So on the inside, okay, the inside, this is the strap. So we're gonna have to I'll show you the strap later on. So let's take a look at the inside. But what I noticed for this item right now is that the opening's a little bit narrow though. It's not like something that you could just stretch it out wide open. It's a little bit narrow, and on the inside it has a textile lining right there. It's not microfiber. I don't know. I know this one is priced as $1,770 US, and I am surprised that the lining is not microfiber for some reason. So it is just like fabric all over it right there. It's not even like smooth. It has texture to it. And also there is a slip pocket right there on the inside, just one slip pocket. And once again, they have this product information. Yeah, the inside is just like that. So the style is more likely, it tends to be smaller on this corner right here and then gets wider. So that's why the upper part of it, it's a little bit narrow. So this is the product information right here. It's the Odeon PM Damier Ebene Noir and N50064, and this is retails for $1,770 US. That's before tax. Oh, this is the price right here. She actually put the price right there. And then yeah, that's just the inside. There's no zip pocket on the inside, and on the back of it, yeah, there's nothing. So the back, this one has this leather trim on the side right here in the corner, which is in black. Wow, it's absolutely nice. I really love the detail of these. I do love it. Nice contrast. And also right there, Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. I got the one that's made in France. And this one has no date code anymore. So unfortunately, I can't show you that because there's no date code anymore starting March of this year. And this is the side corner looks right there, and the front as well. There is the corner, the leather corner, which is also a really nice touch to it. Lovely. And then the stitching for this is actually black as well. I noticed that the canvas is very, very shiny. I mean, it looks very luxurious, actually, the canvas. It is very, very shiny. That's the first thing I've noticed. Very shiny though. And this one also has the strap ring right here. Which is in gold hardware. I don't know, for some reason, guys, this is another thing. What sold me on this purse is also this ring right here. Then I started to think, well, I could use this purse on its own, and I could attach any straps, especially my favorite straps right here. I don't know why this one wouldn't stand on its own. Maybe I put the phone. It's actually taking the weight. Okay, that's what it is. So I have some strap right here. This is a chain strap. So let me just put this one right here just to see how it looks with the chain strap. Okay, so this is how it looks with the chain strap. Oh my gosh, I kind of like it. I do love it with the strap, with the chain strap. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Wow, it's taking it to the next level. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is a square strap, chain strap that I got, and I think this one works perfectly just like that. Okay, so I also have the other one, the other style as well, but I think this one actually works perfectly with the purse because they almost have the same hardware. Okay, so let me just try this one right here. Okay, so let me try this. This is my other strap. This is, I think I got this from Amazon. So this one works well too, but I kind of like the other one. This is just to dress up the purse, but it's with the chain. Absolutely gorgeous. So now let me show you the strap, because this one came in with this beautiful strap, leather strap. So here's the strap right here. They put it in a dust bag. And then the strap is obviously removable, and it is wide, thick, and adjustable as well. So here's the logo right there, Louis Vuitton Paris. That's just what it says. Wow, this is very soft and supple. I'm already loving it. I was at the store, tried it on, and I said, wow, the strap feels so comfortable. Very, very nice. So you guys can see that. It's very, very soft and supple. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you could use this on your shoulder and across body. And this one has a gold hardware. See you guys the detailed right there. Right there on this side as well. And then right here at the bottom. So let me just try to put this just to give you guys a little bit of an idea. Yeah, so that's how it looks with the strap, and I think it looks gorgeous, but I know it looks better with a little bit of an embellishment with this chain strap. I think it looks great, and that's how it looks. This one is so thick. I'm so glad that they came out with this strap, because I could definitely use this with other purses that I have. I know this one is gonna be so comfortable. I'm pretty sure about that. And so now let me show you what fits on this, just for the size reference though. I have a mini pochette here. So this is in the Damier Ebene as well. So let me try to see if this one would fit inside. So you have to angle this if you wanted to put it inside. Yeah, this one fits. So that's for the size reference. So this one fits inside, obviously. If you have a, I'm just gonna use this. I use this as a wallet. This is more likely a full size, but this is a Louis Vuitton agenda. Maybe you could put this one right here in front. That fits perfectly as well. It snaps in with no problems at all. So yeah, the full-size wallet could definitely fit right here in the front pocket. Absolutely. So if you wanted to put it inside for safety purposes, you could easily just put that one inside as well. And then I have a 6 key holder in the Damier Ebene as well. You could put this obviously in right there with no problem. And obviously in the inside pocket, so it could fit right at the slip pocket on the inside. So yeah, this could fit a lot of things. And also what I noticed, my honest thought about this, it seems like the canvas is so flimsy and very soft for some reason. I don't know why, but that's my observation when it comes to this particular canvas. It's very, very soft, and it looks very, very shiny and luxurious for some reason. You know, I do love it. This is such a beauty. And also, I could take this one out, or if you have an older luggage tag, you could do that as well. And I'm not sure if the water bottle could fit in here, because some people, they like to bring water bottle, and I think it would fit in there. So I don't have a water bottle at the moment, so I won't be able to show you that. Yeah, the phone, like I mentioned, this phone fits perfectly right there with no problems at all. Just like that. Oh my gosh. I would highly recommend this, guys. They said there's a rumor that Louis Vuitton are discontinuing the canvas. I'm not 100% sure. Maya say didn't really say so much about it. I don't know. So, but if ever they will, I would suggest to get this. This is such a beauty. I just love the detail of it, the zipper, the gold hardware. I just really love the strap rings right here at the corner. You could just embellish it beautifully. The strap is absolutely amazing. It is a perfect size for me, absolutely. And the price for this is $1,770 US. Is it worth it? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it is worth $1,770 because you still have to pay tax. So this is like close to $2,000. But I personally like it, and as long as it's functional, I think that would make your money worth. And I believe this one is I'm not sure. Yeah, this is more likely a casual purse. I'm not sure if you could actually like use this on a night out date or something like that, or a formal dinner or something, just because of the size. Because on the website they say you could use this as a clutch. I mean, this is like as a clutch. This is like too big for me as a clutch though. It's weird. You can carry this on its own actually. So you actually got a lot of options, but for me, I would definitely gonna use a chain strap for this. And wow, I still can't get over how beautiful it is. Love the detail, love everything about the hardware, the style, definitely. And I would say this is a carefree bag because there's no vachetta. You don't need to worry, you don't need to baby this 24/7 worrying about the watermarks or the dirt or they started to patina. So I think this one is one of the pieces that I could highly recommend because for that reason. So yeah, it is so beautiful. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.